Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 4A and B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of answers in Paytm and handwritten assignments, and if you need an answer of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can just message hi on our WhatsApp number. We will message you again. And now the question number 4 is saying that suggest some effective measures for Indian farmers to sell out their agricultural products at support price fixed by the government to protect their interests against exploitation from food grains merchants. B is saying that you are suggested to visit the commercial bank branch office in your locality, meet with the bank executive officer of the branch, and discuss the process of opening a saving bank account. Prepare a brief report based on the discussion. So these are the two questions which we have discussed now, and if you need answer of these all the questions, not these particularly questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.